How to connect Bitget to Google Authenticator. Now before connecting your Bitget account to Google Authenticator, you need to make sure that you have downloaded and set up your Authenticator application in your device. Once you have done that, you need to open your Bitget exchange. Then tap on the square icon in the top left hand corner. Over here, tap on your profile icon that would be in the top, and then you will be landed in your user center page. Over here, tap on the security option and you will have the third option of Google Authenticator. Right next to it, you will be able to see this type of exclamation sign that you can see in my account right next to the mobile number. But in my account, I have already connected my Google Authenticator. That's why it is showing me check. But in your case, there would be no such option. So tap on the Google Authenticator option, and here you just have to simply provide the verification code in this section. After that, you need to follow further instructions in order to successfully connect your Bitget account to your Google Authenticator. I cannot show you the recordings from the Google Authenticator because Google Authenticator doesn't allow that. But you just have to simply follow the instructions, like you need to paste the 16-digit key. Then you need to verify your Bitget account with the help of the 6-digit verification code that would be sent on your Google Authenticator application. The process is simple. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.